Hello guys, welcome to a journey of financial transformation. Today, we're going to deep into the psychology of wealth and poverty, and discover how you can make smart financial choices to secure your future. But first, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on life-changing content like this. In this video, we are discussing some tips that you should consider for financial freedom. Firstly, we need to explain the psychology of a poor man. Have you ever wondered what it's like to be in a tough spot financially? Let's dive into the world of a poor man's thoughts. Imagine constantly worrying about not having enough money, feeling stressed all the time, and having a hard time planning for the future. This is what we call the mindset of scarcity. Now, let's talk about that mindset of scarcity. It's when you're always thinking about not having enough money, time, or other important stuff. Think of it like a never-ending worry loop in your head. You might find it tough to focus on anything else. This way of thinking can really affect your life. It can mess with your brain power, making it harder to make good decisions. Imagine trying to solve problems or save money when you're super stressed. Not easy, right? Plus, you might end up doing risky things with your money. And it doesn't stop there. Constant financial stress can strain your relationships with friends and family. You might become grumpy or distant because that scarcity mindset is always on your mind. Now, here's the tricky part. When you're stuck in this mindset, it's tough to see opportunities that could help you escape poverty. It's like wearing blinders. You can't see all the doors that might open up. But here's the good news. Some folks have been there, done that, and turned things around. Take the example of Dave Ramsey, Oprah Winfrey, or Warren Buffett. They faced tough times but changed their thinking. They became disciplined, stayed patient, and grabbed opportunities when they came their way. So, remember, even in tough times, changing your mindset from not enough to making it happen is the first step to a better future. You can do it. Keep a positive attitude, focus on your goals, and who knows? You might be the next success story. Second, we're talking about shifting your mindset from scarcity to prosperity. It all starts with changing the way you think. Why is changing your perspective so important? Well, your mindset shapes your reality. If you think you can't, you won't. But if you believe you can, you're already on the path to success. It's like opening a door to new opportunities. Actionable tips for a wealth-oriented mindset. Let's get practical. Here are some simple tips to develop a wealth-oriented mindset. First, set clear financial goals. Having targets to aim for keeps you motivated and focused. Next, practice gratitude. Count your blessings, big and small. Grateful people tend to attract more positivity and opportunities. Now, don't fear failure. Mistakes are lessons in disguise. Learn from them and keep moving forward. And here's a big one, surround yourself with positive influences. Hang out with people who support your dreams and inspire you to reach higher. Now, let's talk about bridging the wealth gap. Ever heard of online earning? It's a game changer. With the internet, you can tap into countless opportunities to make money from the comfort of your home. Whether it's freelancing, starting an online business, or investing, the online world offers endless possibilities to grow your income and build wealth. Changing your mindset towards wealth is within your reach. Remember, it's all about setting goals, staying positive, and exploring online earning opportunities. Keep that wealth-oriented mindset, and watch your financial future flourish. Now third is investing intelligently, and we'll break it down into simple, beginner-friendly steps. First things first, what's investing? Think of it as planting a financial seed today to harvest a bigger financial tree in the future. Investing is a way to make your money work for you. Now, here's the beginner's guide. Start with something you're comfortable with, like stocks or bonds. Stocks are like owning a piece of a company, and bonds are like lending money. It's that simple. Let's look at some real-life stories of folks who began investing with just a little money. Meet Sarah. She started by investing a small portion of her monthly income in a low-cost index fund. And here's Mark. He decided to invest his spare change through a micro-investing app. It seemed like pennies at first, but over time, those pennies grew into dollars. Now, why should you invest for the long term? Imagine you plant a tree. In the beginning, it's just a sapling, but with time, it grows tall and strong. The same goes for your investments. Smart investments can grow significantly over the years, thanks to the power of compounding. This means your money earns money, and that snowball effect can lead to financial security. Investing intelligently is all about starting small, choosing investments you understand, and thinking long-term. Just like Sarah and Mark, you can watch your investments grow and secure your financial future. In this journey, you may be becoming a smarter investor. Remember, it's never too late to start. Happy investing. Now the fourth one is controlling expenses. We'll explore practical ways to budget wisely and manage your money effectively, with a special focus on online opportunities to boost your income. Let's start with budgeting. Think of it as a roadmap for your money. First, track your expenses. Write down everything you spend money on, from rent to that daily coffee. Next, create a budget plan. Allocate your income to different categories like bills, savings, and entertainment. Stick to your plan, and you'll avoid overspending. Now, managing expenses. Cut down on unnecessary costs. Do you really need that gym membership or those extra streaming services? Small changes add up. Shop smart by comparing prices and using coupons. And consider buying generic brands, they're often just as good but cheaper. Here's where online opportunities come in. The internet is full of ways to boost your income. Freelancing, selling items online, or even starting a side gig can bring in extra cash. And don't forget about online learning platforms. You can upgrade your skills, making you more valuable in the job market. Controlling expenses is all about budgeting wisely and making savvy choices. By managing your money effectively and exploring online opportunities, you can take charge of your financial future. Remember, every small step counts. Happy budgeting and income boosting. Now the fifth point is real-life success stories, featuring inspiring stories of young individuals who used online platforms to boost their income, lessons we can learn from their journeys, and encouraging viewers to take action. Get ready to be inspired as we dive into real-life success stories of young individuals who turned online opportunities into financial triumphs. Their journeys are filled with valuable lessons for all of us. Meet Sarah, a young graphic designer. She started freelancing online, offering her creative skills to clients worldwide. Today, she earns a comfortable income doing what she loves from the comfort of her home. Then there's Alex, who began a YouTube channel as a hobby. His passion for video games turned into a lucrative online presence, with millions of subscribers and sponsorships pouring in. What can we learn from Sarah and Alex? Firstly, follow your passion. They turned their hobbies into income streams, proving that doing what you love can lead to success. Secondly, be consistent. Both Sarah and Alex dedicated time and effort to build their online presence. Consistency pays off in the digital world. Lastly, embrace opportunities. The internet is a vast playground of possibilities. Sarah and Alex seized those opportunities and turned them into thriving careers. So, what's your passion? What opportunities can you explore online? It's time to take action. Don't just watch their journeys, create your own success story. Real-life success stories remind us that online platforms offer endless potential. With passion, consistency, and an open mind, you can turn your dreams into reality. Remember, your success story is waiting to be written. Get out there and make it happen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Let's empower a generation to rise above financial challenges. Until next time, stay motivated, stay focused, and stay wealthy.